Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Google AdSense account using your Ghana card's details or any of your government issued ID card. But before we dive straight into the video, I would like to first of all invite you to kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. But if you are already a subscriber, I would like to thank you for coming back. As I said, we are going to look at how to verify AdSense account using Ghana card or any of the government official issued ID cards. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the video. First of all, this is one of my AdSense accounts, and as you can see, the account has not been verified, and due to that, ads are no more displayed on that website. So we are going to verify it using Ghana card. First, what you need to do is you've requested the PIN for the maximum of the 4 times limit set by Google. So once you have done so, then you can have the option to verify using your Ghana card details or any of your government official issued ID card. So as you can see, the last PIN I requested, that is the 4th time PIN I've requested, was on the 10th August 2021. And today being 10th of September 2021 makes it full 1 month or 4 weeks, and still I've not yet had my I've not yet had my PIN from Google. So this is where we are going to verify it using the Ghana card details or any of the government official ID cards. So once you are on your Google homepage, what you will need to do is to come to the section where it says verify your billing address. So once you are here, what you need to do is to click on these 3 dots. Then you will see these 2 options. So here, what you need to do is to click on help. So once you click on help, you will be taken to the help page where you have the options to verify your PIN using your ID cards. So once you are here, you have to make sure you are logged into your email address, the email that is connected to the Google account you want to use to verify your ID. So here I have to change the email. I have different emails. So this is the email I'm going to use to verify the Google AdSense account. So I click on it and it will open in a new tab. So as you can see, this is the verification page. So now as you come here, you scroll down to the section where you see having problem with your PIN. Then you come to the second paragraph or the second point that says PIN Troubleshoot. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to the AdSense PIN Troubleshoot page. So this is the AdSense PIN Troubleshooter page. So once you are here, you will be asked to confirm your email. This is the email you want to use to verify your address with. Then you come and pick yes. Now you click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, you will now be asked to check your PIN arrival. So here you'll be asked whether you have received your PIN or you have not yet received your PIN. In this case, you pick the second option, that is no, I haven't received my PIN. Then you click on the continue button. So now as you can see, once you click on the continue button, you will be given the PIN request status. So as you can see here, I have 3 pending verification. Sorry, I have 4 pending verification. And then the last PIN was sent to me on the 10th of August 2021. And as you can see here, incorrect entry was 0. And then my verification deadline was 15th August. That means after 15th August, ads will stop showing on my account or on my website, and that is true. Ads are no more showing on my account or on my website. So I'm now waiting for the PIN to arrive, but still I've not had my PIN. So the next option for me is to request for the ID verification using my Ghana card or any of my Google or any of my government issued card. Under normal circumstance, I should have seen a contact form page link here, but in this case, I've not yet seen anything from this page, and maybe you might have also been facing this similar problem. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get that contact page where you can put in your details and upload your ID card for Google to verify instantly. So now once you are here and you see this summary, what you need to do is to come and click on continue. So once you click on the continue button, you see here you have given your status and there's nothing for you to contact Google. This contact option is not the contact form we need. There is a contact form link where you can put your details and upload your Ghana card or any of your government official ID card for Google to verify. So once you are here, you have been locked, there's nothing you can do. So I'm going to show you a quick way you can get that form. Here is the form URL. So you copy it. I will leave it in the description below. You copy it and then go and open a new tab on your browser. Then come to the address section. And then paste it over there and click on the enter key. So once you click on the enter key, you will be taken straight to the contact form where you can enter your details and then upload your Ghana card or any of your government official document. So here you have to make sure that the email address, the email address you are using, the name on the email address or the Google account is the same name you are using for your AdSense user accounts, and the number on your Ghana card or any of your and the date of birth on your Ghana card or any of your government issued ID card must tally with that of the one on your Google account. In my next video, I will take you through on how to change your name on the Google accounts and also how to change your date of birth on your Google account if you don't know how to do so. But today's goal is to verify the account using Ghana card details or any of your government issued ID. So once you are here, you tap the name of the name on the account. So in this case, I have this name on my account. So I type that name here, and then the email address will automatically be here. But in case yours is not there, you can clean it and then type the email address that is associated with your Google AdSense you want to verify. Then you enter your publisher ID. So when you click on the help, you see the publisher ID. The publisher ID can be located under your AdSense account. When you come to your AdSense main dashboard, you look at the top on the address bar, you will see the publisher ID over there. You copy that publisher ID and come and paste it here. So you come and paste it here. Now it is time for you to upload the document. First, you upload the front of the document and then the back of the document. So now I click on the choose file and then it will open my files for me. I'll go and locate where the files are being stored, and there I will see the file. So this is my Ghana card. As you can see, I will take the front first and then it has been uploaded. As you can see, it has been uploaded. Then I will choose the bank front or the back of the card. You have to make sure the card is clearly taken. That is, the picture is clearly and you can see everything right. So as you can see, this is now where we are. So once you are done, you then come and click on submit. Now we wait for Google to submit. Your email has been sent. We will get back to you in 24 hours. So in most cases, once you submit this form, you will get an instant verification from your email. So let's wait and see whether it will come. Let me go and log into my email address and see whether it has been verified. So now I'm logging into the email address to see whether it has been verified or it will take time before they verify. In most cases, it is an instant verification, but in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours before the account can be verified. So let's wait and see. So as you can see, this is the email I had from them. They said they are taking some precaution to verify it. So in some case, as I said, it can take up to 24 hours for them to verify it. So as you can see, our team makes every effort to reply within 2 working days. That's Monday to Friday. Sometimes we get a little busier, so we wait for them to see what is going to happen. Now this is the second email I had from them. As you can see, thanks for sending your proof identity. We are happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirement for AdSense. Please note you may still see the payment hold notification in your account. Rest assured that your PIN has been verified. Please, have you seen that? your pin has been verified, and the notification will disappear within 24 hours. So as you can see now, my account has been fully verified, and when you come back to the account and then I refresh the account, I may not see this verification section again. So as you can see now, I have only one notification and there's no place for me to verify my account again because the account has been verified. So please, this is how you can verify your Google AdSense account using your Ghana card detail or any of your government official issued ID card. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos to come, and also don't forget to like, share and comment, please. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.